In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix website examples before building yours. If you are planning to build a website, one of the smartest things you can do is study what others have already created. Using Wix website examples helps you understand layout choices, page structure, and design styles before you commit time to building your own site. Let us go through the process step by step, and I will explain what to look for at each point. First, go to the Wix website templates. When you open Wix, you will typically see a section dedicated to templates and site examples. This is where Wix gathers ready-made designs that you can browse. The templates are useful because they are not just pictures. They include real page layouts, section styles, and overall design structure, so you can immediately see how a complete site might work. Next, browse the templates. Take a moment to scroll through the options and notice the categories or themes that match what you want to build. Pay attention to the overall style, such as whether it looks modern, minimalist, playful, elegant, or bold. Also notice how the template organizes information. For example, some templates show a strong hero section at the top, while others highlight galleries or service lists more prominently. This browsing step matters because it helps you quickly narrow down styles that feel right for your brand and content. After you have found a template you like, select it. Choosing a template does not lock you in forever, but it does let you move forward to a preview and editing view. At this stage, focus on whether the template includes the kind of pages you expect, like a homepage, an About section, or a contact area. Selecting the right starting point can save you time later because you can build on what is already there. Now click View to preview the template. The preview lets you see the design as it would appear to visitors. Take a careful look at the spacing, fonts, and color choices. Check how sections flow from one to another as you scroll. You should also look at how images and text sit together. If something feels confusing or cluttered in the preview, it may be better to try a different template before you move into editing. Once the preview looks good, click Edit to use the template. This is the moment you shift from viewing ideas to preparing your site for changes. Clicking Edit opens the template inside the Wix editor. Here, you can customize the design to fit your needs, rather than starting from a blank page. It is also where you can replace content and adjust layout details. Finally, customize the template for your website. This is where your template becomes truly yours. Start by updating the text so it matches your message and the pages you want. Then review the images and replace them with visuals that represent your brand. Next, consider the colors and fonts. You can adjust them so the site looks consistent and professional. You should also check navigation and page sections so everything is easy for visitors to find. As you make changes, keep an eye on how the design responds, so your site looks good on screens of different sizes. As you finish customizing, take a quick moment to review what you have built. Look at the overall structure from top to bottom and make sure the homepage makes sense. The key sections are in the right order, and the call to action is clear. When you are satisfied, you will have a strong foundation created from a proven design, which gives you confidence before you continue building and refining your website that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.